Hi, I am Dhiraj Relli, MD and CEO of HDFC Securities. So, we all know that the biggest elephant in the room is inflation. Uh, Entire world is grappling with the high inflation. Post the unprecedented liquidity stimulus by various governments, we've seen the high inflation and it's very difficult to navigate or deal with it. Central banks are doing their best by increasing the interest rates, but it still takes some time. The impact of the central bankers' action comes with some lag. So the biggest elephant in the room is inflation. But in India, we are still better placed to navigate the inflation. We've been dealing with this kind of high inflation. Of course, when you have a high inflation, it impacts the purchasing power at the last consumer level. So to that extent, it put pressure on the entire economy, entire system. So that's what it is. And to some extent, we are dealing with it. It may also lead to a higher cost for the various corporates because interest cost increases for them also. So profitability also get impacted due to the high inflation. Macro environment, other than the inflation, I think we are also dealing with the Ukraine-Russia war and slowdown in the growth. But overall, India seems to be in a sweet spot and an outlier in the global markets. I think the banking and financial services sector has done very well despite the high inflation environment. Banking and financial services have done really well. We've seen an uptick in the credit growth. We've seen in the uptick in capex cycle also. The asset quality related issues are behind us. So that to that extent, the net interest margins are also showing some kind of an uptick only. We believe that the banking and financial services companies are well placed to leverage the Indian and global ecosystem. We believe that banking, insurance and asset management companies will continue to do well and may outperform the broad indices as well as many other sectors. We take a lot of credit in helping our customers to make money. Our single largest achievement is that as a full service brokerage house at HDFC Securities, we have helped our customer with the bottom-up stock picking and help them to make money. I think this is our single largest achievement. I think the technology is core to our business. We are more of a tech company than a financial services company. So to that extent, it flows in our blood. So we are leveraging technology to large extent. Almost 92% of the transactions are done on digital platform. 85% plus revenue comes through the digital platforms only. We believe that digital platforms, technology empowers us to serve our customer well. We are able to real time directly connect and add value to our customers. So we believe the technology and digital ecosystem is a big enabler for us to add value to our customers. That's how we look at it and that's how we leverage it. First of all, I'm a very bullish on Indian economy, and within Indian economy, I believe that financialization of savings is one theme that has been playing out in last few years. We are at the cusp of exponential growth. We are seeing unprecedented interest of retail investors in the equity and financial assets. So that way, we see this is a godsend opportunity, a phenomenal time for all banking and financial services companies to make most out of it. The companies that will add value to customer, who would put customers at the center of their decision making, will continue to do well and make most out of the opportunity.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.